Hello, my name is Silvia Aran. I'm the technical sales lead at Polygon ID, and today I'm pleased to introduce you a very particular use case of the utilization of Polygon ID and with the Internet of Things industry. So when we speak about self-sovereign identity, we usually think about identities in connection to people, to human beings. However, it can well be that an identity is in connection to a device or an object in the Internet of Things. So Blockchain Lock, a company based in Japan and founded by Ken Okamoto, is bridging the gap between the virtual and the physical worlds and literally unlocking the future of Web3 with verifiable credentials. So Blockchain Lock is enabling the unlocking of office spaces, doors, and locks through reusable and rich verifiable credentials that the users can later on use to generate a zero knowledge proof in order to enter into that space in a private manner. So although this use case is still in its infancy, we firmly believe that the Blockchain Lock team will truly unlock the usage of verifiable credentials and ZK proofs beyond the virtual world and set the foundation for the creation of a self-sovereign and privacy-preserving physical environment. So now, without further ado, I will hand it over to Ken from the Blockchain Lock team, who will share his thoughts on the integration, followed by a real-world demonstration of utilization of Polygon ID to unlock the office spaces. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much and goodbye.
Hi there, my name is Ken Okamoto, a founder and CEO of Blockchain Lock. Our mission is to unlock the world. What it means is that we will provide safe access to assets around the world. I founded this company back in 2018, supported by two of gigantic system integrators in Japan as shareholders. In 2022, we launched a lock that can work with Web3 technology. This is our device, QR1. The name itself is quite self-explanatory. It can unlock doors with QR codes. And this device works with ZK proof with Polygon ID compatible wallets. This is a very simplified use case of locks working with ZK proof. A holder of company VC can unlock partners company's B's office doors as long as the access is granted. I am going to show this use case as a live demo right after this presentation. Before getting into the demo, let me explain a little bit about the integration which we have done. Our Keybox admin can both issue claims as well as set access control over it. We have done the integration over all of our backend servers as well as the front app. We have our proprietary wallet called Keybox Go. In this wallet, we have implemented Polygon ID SDKs. For the server-end function, we set up necessary servers to become an issuer as well as verifier. As a result, any user who has a necessary credential can access whatever doors if the access is granted to the credentials. We have done the use case shown here. In this scenario, user who has a membership credential, and if the access is granted to it, the user only needs to prove that he or she has a credential via ZK proof protocols. Alternatively, instead of issuing claim against a person, we may issue claims against doors. In this scenario, whoever who has a claim which is associated with a certain doors can access them. Now we can check the complete live demo. So let's see the demo, how it works. Okay, this is our admin console where you can set up logs or check the status of the logs and set up the access control to the doors. Here in the organization tab, there's the app connect and Polygon ID is already connected. So that means I can be an issuer of this organization. If I am already an issuer, I can issue the credential to the users. So let me check the users. So here is the user. Okay, so this is my user and I'm gonna give myself the Polygon ID credential. So I'm gonna copy this. I have this Polygon ID SDK implemented wallet. This is called Keybox Go, our wallet. So I can scan with this wallet, this QR code. Okay, I wanna put pin. It's gonna take a while. So now, this is step 2. I have already connected my wallet. Now I'm gonna scan this QR in order to get the credential, okay? Second scan. Now I got my credential as a PCL member. Let me check. So here is the credential information and I am the PCL member here. So with this wallet, I should be able to access a lock. So I'm going back to the web admin, go to the access control. I'm gonna give the access myself to this drawer. So I'm gonna give the user access to me. Okay, so DID Ken Okamoto is gonna have an access to this door 101 and update. So now I should have an access to this door. So let me check the Polygon ID device QR. So there are 2 QRs. So one is compatible only with Keybox Go, our wallet, and the other is compatible with whatever Polygon ID SDK implemented wallet. When we have done the NFT integration with our lock solution last year, we noticed Polygon ID can leverage our solution much stronger. ZK proof is very unique and strong. NFT is not 100% ready to authenticate the holders yet, versus Polygon ID is made for authentication use cases. Also, we are very proud that we are one of the companies which is doing both virtual and physical businesses, or we could say we are bridge between the two. Whatever the future we may face, we are physical human beings, so we will need locks and keys every single day. It is waste if the blockchain is just for the virtual world. Well, quite honestly, it was harder than we initially thought, mainly because the project is still young and being developed day by day by many top-level developers. And we have seen many codes were committed to GitHub even while we are working on. But this is the way we have chosen, so being an early adapter needs to pay some cost. After the preliminary integration work, we can say essential steps had fixed already. Any foreign company or project will find it easier to integrate with. And we are happy to share our knowledge in order to contribute to the Polygon ID community. They are really nice. Even when I asked first time if there were possible partnership to explore a use case of the physical locks, they didn't say no, which is very important for any innovation. Business decisions are quick, technical supports are very detailed and kind. Our counterpart Suraj is a really nice guy to talk to. Even when we faced difficulties, he gave us a lot of insights to break through. Nothing can be done without him, and I love Polygon team all. Thank you. During or after the preliminary integration work, of course, we found many issues which we need to tackle with. But I firmly believe that user experience will get much better along the way. We will work on until our sellers will be convinced to use Polygon ID to our office locks as well as our client locks, because it is simply better than legacy solutions. By that time, people are holding their identity in their wallet and unlock whatever locks to which identities are required to be submitted. Until that day comes, we will work hard with Polygon ID team Thank you for your support always, and look very much forward to seeing the decentralized ID in our daily lives. Thank you.